this episode, basically, I'm just going to be happy if I can get, like, little capsules that just chase me around the map. That will be good enough for me. It's been, like, 5.5 years since I've done any actual enemy AI coding, so this is going to be interesting. How does it work these days? Has it been changed? I imagine it's probably been changed, right? Okay, no, fuck it. Instead of blindly going through this, let's... That one. Let's just YouTube it. Oh, good old Bracky, 6 years ago. Man, I miss him.
And then as soon as I switch on my nav mesh, you can see where...
Sick. Alright. I'll probably be able to model my way through it from there. Alright, what do I get if I just do it? Yeah, alright, we need to ignore some layers, like character. Still including the player. I don't know why it's including the player. What's here besides the player? Alright, looks like it's pretty well nailed it. Now, what happens if we just, create like a little object? Enemy. And he's going to be a nav mesh agent, I'd imagine. Oh, shit. Let's quickly check the tutorial real quick.
Nav mesh agent,
okay,
make sure.
Cool. Yep. I can do this. I'm pretty sure I can do this. So that's meant to be like a 2-meter tall thing, right? Oh, that's pretty close to the player. Alright, so we got an enemy. Move that back over here. And we'll make him a little bit skinnier. He's a bit fat. Okay, now he's very skinny. 0.7. Yeah, that'll do. Oh well, we don't really need to try that hard right now. We can put the dummy material on it. We have our little enemy. We need a nav mesh agent. And it's going to be humanoid, yes. And then we're just going to create a new script. Good shit. I made a coffee. It's already 8 o'clock at night. Why did I make a coffee? That was probably dumb. Alright, what did old mate do? My brain's fried. Agent dot destination. Alright, is it just straight... Do I just do that? Or is there like a set should I use a set destination? Nope, just straight up modify the destination. This should just work, right? He just chases me. Oh, my leg. Ah! Oh my god, he's faster than me. Am I hitting him? I am. This was actually a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. I thought this would take longer to get to here. Oh, not the rub and tug. Ow, my legs. Alright, I see no flaws in this. Currently working absolutely fine. Oh, game dev is fun. Game dev is fun sometimes. Okay, what is the next step? That was the goal. We've achieved the goal in the first 20 minutes of stream. I don't know what the hell to do now. The one thing I want to do real quick is at least get the colors working. So basically just take half of this script and copy paste it over into this one. Pretty much. Alright, we need to implement these two for one. We need that. Now it's going to get mad at us because we need these. Fuck it, we'll take all three. Wasn't needing to, but we will. And now it's mad at us because we're missing more stuff. And that's easy enough to do because we'll just steal all this. Put it there. Alright. That works. Wait, no, it doesn't work. It's still mad at me. Update color. Right, yeah, we need that function. There, now it's happy with us. Except we don't need to find a new position. That's not a thing anymore. Max health, 100. That'll work. Now that should all just work. Right? We should have a scary cylinder that chases us. That's something wasn't happy. Oh, right. Okay, we're on a different scene. I haven't set up the damage indicators on this one. That makes sense. Not completely. But it did kind of work. I hold my gun sideways because that's how gangsters be. I should probably not play in full screen for a second. But that should work. Yep, no errors. That's still mad at me, but no errors. Ooh, sound. Right, we didn't have sound on this one before. I just can't shoot him. Not only is it... Oh, Jesus. Not only is it invincible, but it physically won't let me shoot. Okay, we're getting closer. Now, It's not dying though. One thing I do want to do is give it a bit of a stress test. This may backfire on us, but I want to try something. What if we were to create like a little script? Enemy spawner. So we need a way to pick a point randomly and then try and spawn the enemy there, and we'll check if it's a valid spawning location just based on the nav mesh, I guess. That'd probably be the easiest way. That makes sense. I don't know. We could do something there, right? Okay, I guess first things first, we need to figure out the bounds of the map, and then pick a random point within that. Map center, center, center. Which center is it? Easy peasy. Now we just got to figure out what the actual size is, and we can just change it in the editor. Oh, doesn't need to be that tall, but we'll go with it. Alright, that will work. Okay, we're creating an editor script, and it's going to be for the enemy spawner. Yay, it's happy! And then base dot uninspected GUI, you call that, and then it means that we haven't done anything. Right, sick. If GUI layout dot button, and we'll give it a name, sexy test button. That's not how you spell test, but that's it. That's how you spell sexy. I got that right. Then debug.log sexy. That'll do. Look at that. Look at that. Who thought hello world was a good debug line? Dumbasses. Oh my god, sexy test button worked. No, hang on, we can't collapse it. Yeah. Sick. Alright. Let's rename sexy test button to test point, because we do just want to actually generate a test point. That's a new vector3. Its x is going to be random dot, can I just do value, and that just gives me a random value? Returns a random float within 0 to 1, and then we'll just times that by, multiplied by map size. And then just minus half map size. Why are you mad at me? What are you mad for? Oh, right, you can't multiply two vector3s together. Right. I forgot that's a thing. You can in shader code though, can't you? Right? Because it should just do like x times x, y times y, z times z. But it doesn't have that in Unity. Wow, there you go. Wow. That sucks a little bit. It just means I gotta, in each of these, I gotta do map size times x. And then map size times y. And then map size times z. Alright, and then that's gonna give us a random thing, and then we're just gonna say map center plus. Bam. That should work. I think. I don't really know. Because like I said, I'm a bit of an idiot. We just need a place to store that. And we're just going to say test pos equals rand. And we're just going to go gizmos dot color equals, what color are we going to do? Green. And we're going to draw a little sphere at the test point. And the radius we can just do like 0.5 for now. That'll work. We should be able to find it. Now, the one thing I'm concerned about with this, and the reason that I'm testing it, is I'm pretty sure if I just do random.value, I don't know if each one of these is going to give me a different value. It may just be like 0.1, 0.1, 0.1 for each of them, rather than being 3 different random values. Test point. I didn't debug it. Whoops. Where is it? Okay, I thought this was going to be easier to spot. It is not. Alright, when it generates the point, we're just going to debug.log that value. R&D. Research and development. Or random. One or the other. Damn, it worked! Oh, I love it when a plan comes together. Fuck yeah. I want to watch the A-Team now. Man, shit is just sort of working for me tonight. When I actually call a function, it sort of works. Like, it works. Normally, coding doesn't work like this. Normally, I try something, I fail, I have to spend 20 minutes troubleshooting. But no, it's just working tonight. That's sick. Alright. Well, now that we're generating a random point, I guess we need to give this a reference to the map. I mean, to the nav mesh. So we got the random point that it's generating in just like a box, basically. It's just a random point anywhere within this box. We need to take that and make it the closest point on the nav mesh to that random point. Shit. God, that's what I meant to say. And hopefully we can do this just by, hopefully there's a function that's just like surface dot get position. Hopefully. I'm not seeing a thing. You know, it occurs to me that it wouldn't be a bad idea to Google this. Sometimes I forget Google's a thing and I try and white knuckle it, but you know. Oh, right. There's a whole helper class that is navmesh. That makes sense. Man, sometimes Googling's smart. Who knew? Alright, so it needs a position, an out. The point is in there, and then we need to out hit, which we'll make in a second. Shut the hell up. Max distance, we'll just arbitrarily call it like 5. And that was a thing here called all areas, right? Yeah. Nav mesh hit. Bam. Test nav mesh position equals hot hit dot position. That makes so much sense. Of course there's a fucking nav mesh support class. That makes so much sense. It didn't get mad at me, but I still can't find it. I want to see the gizmos. Where are the gizmos? They're going to be around here somewhere. Hello? Hello? Gizmos? Hello? Oh, that... Wait, is that them there? Is that... Oh, I found it! I thought that was something on my screen. That was really tripping me out. Oh, okay. Right. I'm glad we tested that. So that there is both of them, right? Okay, what we should do... We'll keep that one at full, but we'll make it just a little bit smaller. And then... Right. So the sample position. So found mesh equals debug.log found mesh. Alright. So I think it didn't find didn't find a point that time because I've set the distance to 5. We'll set it to 10. We may need to make it so that it's recursive, so that if it can't find it on the first one, it tries again in a completely different place. That's not hard to do, but we may have to do that. See? Look, they're in the same place there. Didn't find it. Didn't find it. Found it. So where did that spawn? Over here. Oh shit, it was like spot on. Wait a second. It was spot on. Yeah, because I'm setting the both. That should have just worked, right? Hey, there it is. Ah, look at that, look at that, look at that. Okay, cool, sick. Focus position on... We'll just say the final position that it finds. Probably really unnecessary to do it this way. Actually, just for the sake of it, get rid of that. Put it in here. Ep.3. And then it's going to return test. Sick. Alright, and then in here, we're just going to say focus position on that. Now, does that work? It'd be really sick if that just worked. Haha, it works. Again, shit just working better than expected. We got the random point working great. So we don't need to know where the random point is. So it's sort of like 1 in 2 it's getting the right answer. 1 to 2 maybe, more of a ratio. It's sort of like 2 to 1. But that means all we gotta do is just modify this a little bit. And then if for some miracle reason it makes it all the way through 1,000 tries at finding a point and still hasn't found a point on the map, then we'll just say debug.log computers suck at numbers! Exclamation point. There. Perfect. Yeah, I'm doing this weird. Damn. Sorry about that. That needs to go away. In here, I mean, it is more or less, right? But if the sample position works, then hit dot position. Yeah, that makes more sense. Return hit dot position, and then if it makes it all the way down to here, and return Ep.3 0. There. Beauty. So it should just like do this once, twice, 3 times, and then return that. Having it at 1,000 sort of more just a safety cap, so you don't blow the fucking computer up when it can't find a point for whatever reason, or because you done some stupid shit and didn't set numbers right. God, brain. Beautiful. Well, that's a rousing success. God, that's so cool. I love that you can just focus screen. So if it finds a position, debug.log found in I attempts. I could just debug I, but no, I gotta format it, make it. My microphone's falling down again. Son of a bitch, get back here. Okay, so whatever happened before when it didn't work, it wasn't because it didn't find one. Oh, 9 there. Sick. All right, we got it working. Cool. Now, the enemy AI, when it dies, it does nothing. So what we're gonna do is nothing. Nothing for right now. Actually, no, we're gonna kill it. We're gonna destroy it. Yeah, no, we'll just destroy it. That's the easiest way to do it. Game object. Destroy the game object. That way we can kill stuff. Wow. Alright, yeah, that is enemy dead. So what are we going to do is take this, make it a prefab. So we're going to create a new void spawn enemy. For now, we're just going to instantiate enemy prefab at random point, quaternion identity. Sick. That'll keep it happy. And we'll just keep it tidy and we'll just say spawn all enemies. Public, not float, int enemy singular count, and we'll just say equal to 10. We'll say 10 to begin with, and we'll slowly ramp it up and we see how it goes. Alright, spawn all enemies. For each enemy, spawn enemy. Bam, that's literally all I had to do. Alright, let's start with 10 and see what it does. Alright, for this one, let's turn on stats. We want to see how we're going on frames here. No! Ah, right, okay. It doesn't know where the player is to begin with. Do. Player equals game manager dot instance dot get player. That works. The variable player. Oh, right, yeah. Right. We said we'd do that manually. Yep. Makes sense. Yep. Hey, it's all happy. Where is it? Oh, they're coming. Oh, shit. Genuinely. Okay, this is terrifying already. Alright, so enemies seem to be working. It's surprisingly scary. Let's make them so they move slower. Let's nerf them. Yes, we're making the move speed 3. We're nerfing them because I'm scared. It's scary and I'm scared. Okay, let's up the spawner to 50. Hi. 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 There's lots of you. You're scary. Well, this is working great so far. Alright, what we didn't check there, sorry. It's easy to get distracted while doing this shit. Stats. So, with 50, how did we go? Okay, there's none right next to me this time. Let's go check down this end. Oh, they're all coming from that way this time. Oh, Jesus. Hello. I need to get through there. Oh, shit, don't get stuck in a corner. They are terrifying. Not the just innocuous green capsule level. Oh, Jesus Christ. This is fun. Yeah, it's running at a cool 160, 150 frames. It's not mad. Let's see. 100. Ah! I mean, it's terrifying. Oh my god, they're coming up the ramp. It's crazy how much they're actually like kind of scary. Oh my god, look at them all. So yeah, we're definitely gonna need some sort of like group AI where they like fan out a little bit. And also, still running at a cool 140, 150 frame. Oh shit, fuck. Oh god. Oh god, get up. Get up, get up quick. Oh god, no. I'm not doing enough damage. Hang on. What? I'm not cheating. Alright. Let's go 500 enemies. That'll work. Right? Oh god, they're everywhere. Oh my god, that's so many enemies. We still got 100 frames. Oh god, no. No, help me. Help me. Why'd they come in here? No. Well, it's still running at a cool 100 frames. No way. 500 enemies ran. Man, Navmesh, you're way more efficient than I thought you would be. What I'm getting from this is if the AI is laggy, that shit's on me. I cannot blame this. 2,500. Oh my god. That's so many. Oh. Okay, we're at 40 frames. I'm already stuck. But like, look, notice some of them aren't moving. So they're added to a bit of like a queue. I mean, this is insane. This has been really, really good. Oh shit, hello. This seems to work, like, yeah, this works great. We now have enemies spawning. I mean, it's not how we will have them spawning in the, like, eventually. My dream is to have them punch through the roof. But we're not exactly there yet. The roof's pretty solid. What a success, hey? What a success. My legs. My legs. My gorgeously shaped and toned ass. No. I think that's it. I think I'm going to call it here. That was everything I wanted to achieve for the night. You know, like, obviously there's plenty more that we can do, you know, like character animations and stuff like that. I also managed to get into the actual project files of the old game, rather than just having a build of it. I have everything I need out of that too, so we can take the old robot enemy things, get them cooking again. Though I think we'll do it with some fresh animations. The animations we used were homebrewed. Angus straight up made a walk cycle by hand using keyframes. So we can do better than that. We can just use Mixamo movement animations and they'll all look the same, but, you know, we'll just make it work with what we can find and what we can manage. Anyway, sweet dreams, Twitch. I'll catch you tomorrow. I fully said that being ready to stop. I don't have the screen up to stop streaming. Anyway, bye.